Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Cinco de Mayo knot in honor of Cinco de Mayo. So we're just going to get started with one tie on the left side, no props. Pretty simple. Going to come over here, put it in our dimple, bring the skinny end over the top, bring it up and over, down and around, and then we're going to fold it in half and we'll leave it folded for the rest of the knot here. We're just going to create a bunch of different patterns and zigzags and make it look festive. Now that it's folded in half, we're going to come across. We're going to come up and over like this. We're going to come down and around like this, and we're going to bring it up and over. We're going to come through the center like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come across like this, bring it around like this, come up and over like this, down like that. So then we're going to open this back up and we're going to come right back through it like this, back through this loop here like this, with this folded. It's going to come back up through here. Fold it. How you need to fold it. There we go. Now that it's folded like this, I want to fold it. I want to come back and then open this loop up and then have it go underneath. Gonna come back up and underneath it like this. And then bring it down like that. Let me go ahead and put this down, color down here like this. Here we have the Cinco de Mayo. Open it up a bit. All these different loops, festive loops right here. There you have it. So again, if you want to see the picture of this, go to SimmonsEssentials on Instagram. You'll see the picture there. All known style, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.